No, the banana doesn't stick. Try the balloon. Stick the balloon on the wall. The banana won't stick. Try the balloon.
This banana stick?
No. Rub the balloon on your head and stick it on. There you go. Okay. Yeah. No.
Little balloon stick on the wall.
No, bananas don't stick on the wall.
Mama, try a banana. Mama, try my big banana.
It won't work, buddy. You want to peel it? Here. This is how we peel it.
Open it.
There. Can you finish? Can you peel the rest? You throwing that in the garbage? Good boy. Do you want some help? You got it.
Mama, believe. Want me believe maybe a rest?
You gonna peel the rest?
Yeah.
Look at that short hair. You got it? Here, let me help you with this side here. Here, you hold on to it. Okay, I gotta put the phone down to help you. Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi. Hi.
There's nobody in there. I'm looking at you, and then I'm going to post it to YouTube.
Hi. Nobody in there?
All right.